Laithangnai Bisiknwi Jorani Bisingo Health Service the Infrastructure Development ni Samungo Nugwi Mankha Kotor Swlaimung.Bangrwjakha jibite AGMC ni seat capacity Chasalo AGMC ni KLS auditorium hall Nogo Luwajijak Kaisa Pandao kok Sanani thangwi okok no Sakha Hasteni Mantri okra Prof Dr. Manik Saha.
Let us all join our hands and applause.
Chasalo AGMC ni KLS auditorium hall Nogo Luwajijak the Indian Association of Pathologists and Microbiologists Northeast Regional Chapter ni Fieldam Sibri Conference Panda. Jadi kathar musungai pandano ching shawira Hasteni Mantri okra Prof Dr. Manik Saha. Manjaka Hasteni Sakha Betni Secretary Kiran Gite Dagi Fang Dr. Tapon Mozumdar Medical Education in Dagi Fang Nukung Hamkrai de Sakha Betting in Dagi Fang no Kobai Kuban Osamarok. Pandao kok Sanani Thangi Hasteni Mantri okra Prof Dr. Manik Saha Sakha 727 seat no Bangrwjakha 1413 seat. Tabuk susura Hasteni Oklaiga Kaiburi kidney transplant hanai.
Initiatives are the number of beds in Agartala Government Medical College and GBP Hospital has been increased from about 727 to 1,413. The state has successfully conducted 4 kidney transplants and we are now preparing to start liver and heart transplant programs. To make healthcare more humane, we have started the 10 rupee lunch program for patient attendance and we are going to set up Bharat Mata canteens and night shelters for people coming from the distant corners of Tripura for cheaper stay and food. The AIMS Tripura MO signed recently in New Delhi when I went there will further strengthen medical education and service delivery in our state. We are proud that the Agartala Government Dental College has opened with the advanced facilities like a laser treatment unit and 3D printing lab. The number of BDS seats has also increased from 50 to 63. Our government is committed to making healthcare accessible to all the people, or the suffering people of Tripura. Under the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, more than 16 lakh beneficiaries in Tripura have received Ayushman cards. Claim worth rupees 250 crores have been settled. That is 100% saturation we have achieved. Similarly, under the Chief Minister Jan Arogya Yojana, more than 2.5 lakh families have been covered and medical claims of about 26 crore have been processed. 1,128 Ayushman Bharat health and wellness centers are operational across the state, bringing healthcare closer to every doorstep. The state had also taken bold steps for overall betterment of the health infrastructure in areas such as tuberculosis elimination, then leprosy eradication and vector-borne disease control. Setting up of opioid substitute therapy centers across district to help our youth recover from this drug addiction, plus retroviral therapy to cope up with HIV and AIDS. Provided free HIV or AIDS treatment and monthly allowance, we are giving 2,000 to our more than 2,000 patients. We are also strengthening the telemedicine services, ensuring that people in remote areas can access doctors and specialists without delay. Under the Prime Minister's Development Initiative for Northeastern Region,
Abhaikira Hasteni Mantri okra Professor Dr. Manik Saha debu Sakha Hasteni Sakha chef shabno debu kusogo Tishajaknani bagai. Delhi ni AIMS Hospital by Hasta Hafani Kaisa Memorandum of Understanding signature Kaisa hanai. Raza Khoragoli nishimi omit ni kok thum Chini Khorang.